Hey guys, there's rare opportunities in life where a friend of yours does something that kind of gains notoriety and you kind of want to celebrate it with them. This is one of those situations. A friend of mine, Chuck Hellebuyck, came out with a tool set for kind of an essential kit for 3D printing. He calls it the Filament Friday 3D Print Toolkit. Recently, I found out about it. I went ahead and I picked one up on Amazon. So let's take a look at it and see what's in the kit. Okay, starting out, as you can see, it has a full color box on it. It's got his logo on it, which is really cool. I've been a huge fan of his for years, and the fact that I get to call him a friend is just awesome to me. And I just never thought in a million years he'd come up with a kit like this. And from what I'm hearing and seeing online, it's a pretty cool kit. So we're greeted right off the bat with a, looks like it's some kind of a vinyl, possibly carrying case. It's got his logo on it. It's got a zipper on top. And then inside here we have an X-Acto knife kit, which is cool for cutting off the extra flash and stuff like that that's on some of the prints. There's this cool little spatula. Looks like it's got a wooden handle to it. I hate doing this, but let's just go ahead and rip the bag open. It's really flexible too. So it's actually more flexible than a putty knife would be. So that should be really cool for getting underneath the prints. It does have a nice wooden handle to it, so that's pretty nice quality there. Pair of nippers or side cutters, you can't go wrong with those. Those are really cool to have. Needle nose pliers. Once again, if you want to clip filament, you can clip them. Otherwise, for working on a 3D printer, you can't go wrong with that. It's one of the tools I like to use. And here we have a small file. And that comes in handy for cleaning up some of the prints as well. It's got kind of a rubbery plastic handle, so that's pretty comfortable to hang on to. We have a wire brush. It's a plastic handle to it. This one appears to be stainless steel. This one here appears to be a nylon bristle. And this one is a brass. So this one definitely would work great for hot ends, for getting the residue off your nozzles and stuff like that without causing a lot of damage to it. Okay, this right here is a cool little tool that he's advertised for years on his website. It's for taking flash off of prints. Now inside here, you can store the little tools. Let's go ahead and just pull those out here. I see it's in the little bag here. There we go. So you got all these little blades here. And the reason for them, let me show you here. First off, you can take all your extras, throw it inside the end of the tool here. And all I'm going to need right now is one of them. Put the lid back on here. And then on this end here, you press in on it, push that in, and that catches it. And it's a deburring tool, but you can use it for really cool on prints. Let me show you on a recent print that I did. Now this one I had printed with a brim, and what you can do with this is actually draw it along the edge of it, and it takes the plastic right off. So if you have a really harsh edge and you're wanting to soften it a little bit, you can just drag that across there. It softens that edge really easy. It's definitely a cool tool to have. Beyond that, we have a nice set of calipers here. This is actually nicer than the ones I've got from Harbor Freight in the past. Okay, so here we got a set of his digital calipers. Pretty cool. Then here we've got some glue stick, which is great for printing on glass. Makes life a whole lot easier. And then inside here we have a cutting mat. Now this is a cool little idea. Get the box out of the way there for a moment. So this right here is his cutting mat. So this will save your tabletop if you're going to do any cutting. Plus it gives you angles, it gives you measurements, Gives you the different dimensions of circles and squares and everything that way. So that's a pretty cool little thing to have that way. And once again, like I said, it'll save your tabletop. I'm not sure what that's made out of. I'm guessing some kind of a vinyl material. It is very pliable, so that's pretty cool. And then once again, back inside the box here, there is a instruction manual. Tells you all about the different pieces that are in the kit. Tells you that there's specific uses and everything. Also has a card here that says it has a 3-year warranty. So that's pretty cool. So also registration, it says register your warranty, so I'll definitely be doing that as well. And there's also a card here saying we value your feedback. And it has a discount code, 10% off. So that's pretty cool. And then of course, what kit wouldn't be complete with a Filament Friday sticker? That's cool. Well, there you have it, the Filament Friday toolkit. It is a pretty cool kit. I am really happy I got it. I'm really looking forward to using that spatula. I'm really happy I got a new sticker for my shelf. That's really cool. Oh, wow. You can't ask for a better kit than this. This is actually a pretty quality kit. I'm definitely looking forward to using it. And everything should fit inside this pouch just perfectly. Double check, make sure. Looking good so far. That's the only one I was worried about right there. Will it fit? Will it fit? Yes, it does. Cool. Put the rest of these in here so I don't lose anything, because I have a tendency of losing stuff. And I just want to make sure everything fits in this bag. So far, so good. Now will the zipper close? Well, one thing I have learned is I can't close this up with everything in the bag. I tried it and I broke the zipper. If I take that out, perfectly fine. So that's the only flaw I found with this kit. Oh goodness, I should have thought that through and not tried to fit everything in there. But still, it's a cool kit. I mean, the fact you get everything like that, the deburring tool and the spatula are the two things that are absolutely my favorite. And then when you couple everything else with it, you can't ask for a better kit when you're starting out, especially with 3D printing, to start out with. I mean, I wish I had had these tools when I very first started 3D printing. It would have made life a lot easier. But please check out, I'll put a link to his kit down in the video description. I'm not going to do an affiliate on it. I'm not like that. I'm going to take and put his affiliate down in the video description. So please check out his kit over on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, it's free shipping. So that's a really cool thing about it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you have a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you can purchase merchandise from my TeePublic store, as well as check out my Amazon affiliate link. Anything purchased from one of those helps the channel tremendously, and I thank you for it. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, as many of these people have, please check out my Patreon link over here. You can support the channel from there. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe over here. And if you'd like to check out one of my other videos, please give one of these a shot. I think you're going to like them, especially that one over there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care.